Hello artists, it's time to build your habitat for your combination animal, aka Mana's Mashup. Grab your sketchbook, write your equation, mine's bird plus fish equals furred, draw your habitat, and you are ready to go. Next you need the square piece of paper located at the front of the room. You fold it in half and then you fold it in half again. Make sure the creases are really good. Use a pencil to go along the lines. Put a dot in the middle and use some scissors and cut to the middle of that dot. Fold it over. Oh my gosh, it's a little tiny habitat. Now in this first one, I do Glinda the glue first and I glue up my box first. In the second part of this video, you'll see that I lay it down flat and draw. Either is a choice for you. Now I drew some sketch lines in there for the background and now I'm going to paint. This is a choice you can do. This is thick, fancy paper, so you can watercolor paint on it. If you decide to do this, you need a watercolor paint set, a bucket with a tiny bit of water in there, and one of the good watercolor paint brushes. Start at the top, work your way down, and then paint the bottom. Make sure your name is on the bottom of your habitat. Now, here's a second version. I draw in all the details, and I don't glue it first. I lay it down flat so I can carefully color and add more details. You'll notice I'm making the little house, which is kind of like a tent for my furred. And then I made some friends for it, a little jellyfish. I got a little crabby crabber down there. I have another little tent thing for a neighbor to live by it. It has clean air, food, water, all the wonderful things that make a beautiful habitat. I'm also using all kinds of mixed media tools. I'm using markers, crayons, colored pencils, everything I can find in the cupboard. I've tried it and experimenting. I love blending two colors together to make it look like a sunset and all the different tricks that you know how to do with these materials. Make it look awesome. You want your creature to have a nice place to live. As you get to the end of your coloring, you'll see that I left one square blank. That's the one that I'm putting the glue on. I put the glue on, I fold it over, I press, hold, and then I put my name and my class code on the bottom. Yay! It's all done. Ferdy has a nice new habitat.